In sales, every company faces the same challenge. Growth is hindered by data that's hidden across multiple systems. The information's there, it's just not necessarily at my fingertips. And as a sales rep, that means that I might miss out on relevant buying signals. I might not follow up with a customer that has an open quote in a timely manner. I don't see a customer that stopped responding to us completely, or I missed an upsell opportunity with a customer that owns one product line but not the other. It's kind of similar to cooking in somebody else's kitchen. I'm going to be able to get the job done. It's just going to take me a lot longer because I don't know where anything is. Now, if that kitchen had a sous chef that had already prepared all of my ingredients and gathered the right utensils so that as I start cooking, they hand me exactly what I need, when I need it. They give me tips on the order of operations so that everything's going to come together at the right time. And they're even going to give me a heads up if I'm burning something so that I can go take care of it before the entire meal is ruined. Now, I'm going to have a meal that is frankly better than I was able to make in the comfort of my own home. And that sous chef is the equivalent to InstaLILY sales agent, which by my side, every meal and deal turns into a Michelin star experience. What do you want me to cook for you today?